Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty with expert insights and real-life experiences. Have you ever wondered how to achieve a salon-quality manicure without spending hours at the nail salon? Well, today, we have something that promises just that. Let's talk about Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover and the Salon Effects Perfect Manicure Press-On Nails Bundle in a color that's as glamorous as it is versatile, Affairy To Remember. Let's break it down. The Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover is an ultra-fast solution to eliminate those excess cuticles in just 15 seconds. It's a convenient way to prep your nails for any manicure, and it comes with moisturizing aloe and chamomile to not only do the job quickly, but also soothe and condition your cuticles during the process. Now, that's a win for anyone who's struggled with dry or sensitive cuticles. But that's not all. With the Salon Effects Perfect Manicure Press-On Nails, you get the freedom of a flawless press-on manicure in 6 iconic, timeless looks. Whether you're after a neutral style for day-to-day wear or something a bit more special for an occasion, these nails deliver a quick, no-mess solution to a polished look. Simply press them on, and you're good to go. Personally, I found incorporating these products into my routine incredibly easy. The cuticle remover is quick and efficient. It only took me about 15 seconds to clean up each nail, and my cuticles felt hydrated and soft afterward. There's no harshness or uncomfortable tingling, which is important for those with more sensitive skin. For the press-on nails, I loved how the application was foolproof. No need for drying time, no smudging, just press them on and enjoy a chic, perfect manicure. In real-world use, the results were impressively long-lasting. The press-on stayed put without any peeling or lifting, even through everyday tasks like typing and doing dishes. I did notice, however, that the fit wasn't perfect for every nail shape. Some people might find the nails a little too wide or too narrow for their fingers. It's not a deal breaker, but it's worth noting. As for the pros and cons, let's take a closer look. Pros: the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover works almost instantly, saving time and hassle. It's a gentle yet effective way to remove cuticles without irritation. The press-on nails are quick to apply and look polished for days, making them a fantastic option for people in a rush or those who want a no-fuss manicure. The nails themselves feel comfortable and lightweight, not thick or bulky like some press-ons can be. Cons: the press-on nails can be tricky to fit for people with more uniquely shaped nails. The press-on nails, while durable, may not hold up as well for those who tend to have hands in water or are hard on their nails, e.g., working with tools. The cuticle remover, while effective, does have a very strong scent, which might be off-putting to some people. In terms of value for money, this bundle feels justified for those looking for a quick, no-mess manicure. The price tag is reasonable considering the quality of the product. The Instant Cuticle Remover, paired with the press-ons, offers a salon-like experience at home, which is great if you're pressed for time or just prefer doing your nails yourself. Are there any good alternatives? If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, you could consider press-on nails from brands like Kiss or Impress, which offer similar styles and functionality. However, Sally Hansen's formula and easy application process make this one stand out, especially if you're looking for a bit of a glam factor without the commitment of traditional nail art. As for build quality and longevity, both products hold up well over time. The cuticle remover delivers a clean, smooth application, and the press-ons stay intact for several days, even with normal use. I did find that, like any press-on nails, they can start to show wear after about a week, so it's not a permanent solution, but they certainly last long enough to get through an event or a busy work week. When it comes to customer support, Sally Hansen generally has a solid reputation. While I didn't need to reach out to them personally for any issues, the brand's responsiveness to customer inquiries is usually timely and professional. If you ever run into problems, you can expect quick resolutions. Now, the final verdict. Overall, Sally Hansen's Instant Cuticle Remover and Salon Effects Perfect Manicure Press-On Nails Bundle offers a fantastic solution for anyone who wants a fast, effective, and stylish manicure at home. Whether you're someone who's always in a rush or just prefers the convenience of press-on nails, this product delivers. Just be mindful of the fit for different nail shapes and make sure you apply them properly to ensure longevity. So does it live up to its claims? Absolutely. If you're looking for a salon quality finish without the salon appointment, this is a great option. Before we wrap up, if you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us continue bringing you honest reviews like this one. Thank you for watching today's review. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experience with these Sally Hansen products. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.